Hi everybody, I'm here to this is Miss Melisa from the Fountaindale Public Library, and I'm here to show you how to put together this really fun cute koala bear craft. It's super easy. All you have to do is pick up a kit from our library that looks something like this, and it has instructions as well as some other items in there to complete your craft. So in order to create this really fun craft, you're going to need your kit, and inside your kit you have all these pre-cut pieces. You have 3 pre-cut pieces, as well as a magnet and some really cute foam, some foam leaves, and you have a couple of them in there. So to complete this, you're also going to need from home a glue stick, as well as some crayons if you have, or markers. It doesn't matter what color. So the first thing that we're going to get started is that we're going to lay our brown large piece on flat on a table surface like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab that light gray piece, or the one that looks like this, and we're going to go ahead and glue it on as such. So we're going to glue it on like that. So I'm going to grab my glue, and I'm going to go ahead and place glue on the back. So one thing to remember is that you want the sides to align, so kind of like that, to make sure it fits great. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then we're just going to place it all over as such. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and glue it onward onto the piece of brown paper, so that's nice and even. So it should look something like that. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to grab this darker piece of paper, the pre-cut piece, and we're going to go ahead and kind of put it where we think it would look great on. So it looks good right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab our glue stick again. We're going to turn it around, and we're going to put glue on it. And we're going to go ahead and place glue all over those spots, so it glues nice and nicely onto the piece of paper that we're gluing it onto. So then what we're going to do next is we're actually going to just put it on. It's okay if you get some glue on the surface, because chances are your glue stick kind of dries clear like mine does. So then it should look something like this. It's super cute, it's super adorable. It's really, really, really kind of cute and adorable and fun. So then we can now set our glue stick to the side, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to determine what you want to do for your leaves, whether you want to color them in like I did right here with a green marker or green crayon or a different color, or you can use the leaves that I provided in the kit. And then what you want to do is you want to put some glue, a little bit of glue on it, on one of the leaves, and you want to go ahead and place them on your tree. So kind of like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some more leaves. As you can tell, they really don't fit really well on the ones that are kind of pre-cut. So you just kind of have to kind of grasp it how it is. What I like about this one is that you can definitely make it as many different colors as you want. So just need to add some glue, and then it'll stick. So there we are. And then what I'm going to do with the remaining ones for this one, I'm actually just going to go ahead and color in some of the rest of them, just so it doesn't look so odd having the other colors. And then I'm actually going to look for a red piece of crayon, a red crayon. Color in the rest of them. And that's pretty much about it for this craft. It's super easy and it's super adorable. And then the last final step we have to do is we're gonna take off this magnet piece off of it, and you're gonna go ahead and place it on the back. And then voila! And then it'll be able to stick. So this is a really fun craft to do at home, and it's super easy. So I hope you really like this craft, and I'll see you next time.